I reviewed every casino in Las Vegas, so you know where to play and where not to stay. Today I'm at the Linq. Let's get into it. I give my rating on 4 key areas: location, vibe, action, and service. I'll break these down and then give my overall rating at the end. I also placed 3 bets at every casino: a $100 hand of blackjack, a $100 roulette spin, and a $100 slot spin. So stick around and see how I do. Hey everybody, Ross's boss here. Like and follow for all things Las Vegas. Starting with location, the Linq Casino is set centrally on the Las Vegas Strip in a prime spot. For those of you old enough to remember, the Linq used to be the Imperial Palace from 1979 until 2012. In 2013, the Linq Promenade was created, a collection of shops, restaurants, and bars bookended by the Las Vegas Boulevard and the High Roller. Standing at over 550 feet tall, it's the U.S.'s largest observation wheel. With a plethora of neighboring options, Caesars across the street, and your pick of casinos in any direction as far as the eye can see, I give this location a 9.3. On to vibe. The vibe of the Linq was designed to attract a younger clientele when it reopened under its current name. It's clean and modern looking, but honestly the vibe in this place is hurting. It reminds me of a mall arcade from the 90s. And I say that with a heavy heart because nobody loved 90s arcades more than me when I was a kid, but I don't think that's what the kids are into these days. Everything is sprawling and spread out. You feel like you're on display when you're gambling. The bars are a nice touch, but there's no mojo, there's no pockets of energy. It's just meh. I give the vibe a 4.2. Let's talk action. Starting with the good. This is an entry-level strip casino, so if you don't have a big gambling budget, you'll find lower limits for the strip, $15 tables instead of only $25 tables, slot and video poker machines that you can sit at with 10 or 20 bucks while you get free drinks. The downside is that the odds are average at best. Double zero roulette, dealer hits soft 17 on all blackjack games, and speaking of blackjack, there's not a single game of 3-2 blackjack in this entire casino. Sorry folks, 6-5 only. Oof, that's blasphemous. The nice thing about the Linq is that for beginner players, it's not very intimidating. You don't need to worry about getting yelled at for doing the wrong thing at a table by someone who's betting $1,000 a hand. But if you're going to bet more than table minimums, you should gamble somewhere that gives you better odds. I give the action at the Linq a 6.5. The service at the Linq Casino is a bit of a mixed bag. The bartenders and servers are super friendly and attentive if you're seated at one of the casino bars. The cocktail waitresses provide service with a smile too, but this place is so cavernous it feels like they'll need to send out a search party to just take your order in the first place. I give the service a 7.0. All right, we're at the Linq. We're going to do our standard bets. I'm going to start with $100 on roulette. Always bet on black. Let's go. Let's do 100 on black.
100 black?
Yeah. No more bets. And what is it? I can't see. 11. And we won. $100. Let's go. We're going to do a $100 pull on this double diamond machine. All right, let's put the money in. We're going to do 100. Select credit value. 1. All right. It's not letting me pull. That 1 credit? Let's try this. Here we go. Finally. $100 spin. What was that? 1 credit. I've never... Let's try again. It's not doing anything. Let me try bet 1 credit. Yeah, hit this one. Alright, here we go. What? Yeah, this is weird. Alright, yeah, that's it. We didn't win anything, but boy, was that fun, huh? We're in the Linq Casino. There's actually no 3-2 blackjack in the Linq. And if you know me, I never play 6-5, but we're here. One of the cool things about this is that it's connected to O'Shea's. You know that it's famous for the beer pong and the craziness. We're going to unfortunately play 6-5, but we're going to do it in O'Shea's and have a little bit more fun. You guys mind if I play one hand? Some people don't like people coming in, but glad you guys don't care. I don't care either, but some people care.
I'm team, what's your name?
Ross.
What?
Ross.
Ross.
Yeah.
Team Ross right now.
All right, thank you.
Oh,
We get the ace. Blackjack. Sorry, man.
really for you, Ross.
Thank you. Thanks, guys. We put $100 down. Like I said, never play 6-5, but I did it anyways. So do as I say, not as I do. And what comes out? An ace and a 10. We hit a blackjack. $100 hand. And we won $120. But if it was 3-2, we would have won $150. Overall, the Linq gets the job done for its clientele. If you're a casual gambler on a budget who wants to play on the Strip in a great location, this place is for you. If you have grander ambitions, there are better options out there for you. I give the Linq a 6.9 overall. If you've made it this far, give me a like and follow. I love you guys, and stay boss.